you ever realized the unconditional love that this planet has given you? It supports your existence, nurtures you with food, provides you an environment conducive for life. Have you ever expressed gratitude to it for this? Today onwards, I want you to thank Mother Earth every morning when you wake up. Care for her. Don't pollute the air and water, and plant more trees. Feed the stray animals near your house. You are my special kid, and I am looking after all your needs. Don't worry.
स्वतंत्रता आणि जीवा. आज स्वतःला आरशात बघा व स्वतःलाच पाहून हसा. एक छानशी मिठी द्या आणि नेहमी विश्वास ठेवा की मी तुमच्या सोबतच आहे व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. म्हणून आनंदी राहा व खूप हसत राहा. माझे आशीर्वाद सदैव तुमच्या पाठीशी आहेत.